Hey guys, so it's like about to go down. It's about to go down. There's these people, and I'm gonna try to roast them. Let's roast people. Where's the? Oh, it's, Rose, honey. Rose, honey, are you a gorilla? Cause you look like one. I'm roasted.
Okay, 1 point for me, Snail. 0 point for me. Snail, how pretty. Snail, how pretty.
Bitch, what?
It is pretty. I know that. Would you want to trade for this?
Dang. What's it gonna come back?
I'm gonna do this. Okay.
Yours did. Oh, I may be ugly, but my face didn't break the mirror. Yours did. Oh! Savage. They don't speak our language. I said it's a savage. That's why I can't get it anymore. Okay, guys, yeah. So, it's going down. Forgot that I had music playing and that I was recording. How can I roast these girls? How can I roast them?
Okay, you got great color.
You should get your money back. Oh, me being savage. Yeah, I'm talking to you, princess. How to be savage? Who's that? That guy's just over there like, let's vote. Yeah. This game is fun. Usually I'm the one being roasted. And now I'm roasting. But
Dad got 26 too. I got this one out with special roll-up power. I'll just
don't spend daddy's
power
money at
Transformer. I'm gonna make a real life. Okay. Nice check.
At least I don't spend daddy's money at the mall.
Dad, I won this round. I won this round, Dad.
Panic room. Oh, the darkest fears are gonna come for you. Come for you. Don't take a panic room.
I'm not the target. I already did because I raped them.
Until
I raped you suckers. Now, give me some bullets. Oh wow. She'll run out.
Excuse me. Excuse me, you can't even say what you're even gonna say, so come at me. Ash hybrid single. I'm like, what? Did you just leave? Okay. Okay, you know what, guys? That was really fun, so have a good night. Bye.